Steven Futumukiza uri mukuru w'ishomero Elia Kibumba Primary School ni wayacire obuhwezo obu okurugombe kitongore echa Red Cross ahagirire ngo abana bakurenga 20 obu hati babatwiro mu irwariro Elia cha Hafi Health Center ya Kana ahabo kurwaro Mushija.
Some learners
are affected by malaria disease.
Mushwiza
ukabana benshi dusabana 20 nagiye kuvisinga Catholic Center 4 sabana 20 barwaye bari admitted at Catholic Center 4.
Ori commissioner wa Basic Education Ministry y'ebyobwegese n'emizano Cleophas Mujenyi wakwatanise n'abishitongore cha Red Cross nibo bahirizeyo ebintu ebi ebyo kubasa kweraho ahabantu abateganisibwe ebitengure ahamwe na no mujirano gw'amizi omugombore ziri mu Kanaba ahamwe na cha Havi Town Council zona eziri muri Kisoro. Ogwagarukire yahiga n'abazire okufayo okureba ngo abana babo bagumane babyama ombutimba bw'ensiri.
We are here to witness the handover of relief items and commissioning a tent which is going to serve as a classroom at Kibumba Primary School, which has been affected by flooding. Several classrooms have been submerged by water, and for that matter we needed an alternative place.
Dr. Brian Kanahe, or Director of Disaster Risk Management of Mishitongole cha Uganda Red Cross Society, ashoborire ngo bwa hati nibafayo kuyamba abantu abariko abateganisibwe bitengure ari kugira ngo kandi nk'ibintu nk'ebyabaho tashemerire kubaho izoba na rimwe iby'abana babura kushoma.
Our commitment is to continue working as auxiliary to government of Uganda in operationalizing the National Disaster Preparedness Management Plan of the country, specifically in terms of strengthening community resilience, in this case working with the school community and the district in putting up a preferably a child-led disaster risk reduction program here.
Amakuru agagasha kwa Adonia Toire ahawa Sky TV omuri Kisoro.
Banyuma y'enjura kumara